Hey guys, welcome back to Jarvis Tech Solutions. So I said the other day I was going to do a how-to video on basically the LoRaWAN with the Meshtastic. And so right here we have the Heltec Automation LoRa 32. This one right here was released in 2017, and there are later versions, but I'm going to go ahead and stick with this one. So all you do is hook up that little chip with the USB and the little antenna right there. That's the super easy part. And we're going to take this USB and stick it into the USB port. Alright guys, so continuing on, we're going to go ahead and move forward. So we just plugged the LoRaWAN into the computer via USB. And so now at this point, I'm going to show you where you should go. There's a driver that you need to download. So right here, if you go Google this driver, you'll see it. I tried to do this without without the driver the other night, and I could not figure out why. But it was pretty late, so I'll take that. I'll take the hit for that. But anyway, so what you'll do is download this driver, and then you will go into your device management, and you will load that driver for that device. And then usually it pops up here. I'll actually show you real quick to make it a little bit easier. So if you go to Device Manager and go down to Ports and Common LPT. So right here, this is the Silicon Labs USB to UART bridge. So make sure you have that installed, or whenever you go to flash it, the browser won't see it. So anywho, so what you have to have is a Chromium-based browser to do it this way. So we're going to use Edge. I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to type in Meshtastic. And then I already brought the flasher earlier, but you just type in Meshtastic flasher, and it will bring it up for you. All right, so go ahead and tap on that link, and then here it's going to bring up this page for you. You hit select target device. I have a Heltec V3, so we're going to use that. Select firmware version, the latest stable version, and then hit flash. And then right here you have your little well, it's not a warning banner, it's more of a layout of everything. There we go, and hit continue. Alright, and right here, all of this worked well for me, not changing anything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit full erase and install, and I'm going to hit erase, flash, and install. Just so you're aware, this little device right here won't pop up unless that driver is installed, so just be aware of that. So I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to hit connect, and then the little screen on the LoRaWAN should basically disappear, and then it's going to do its thing down here at the bottom. So once this fully loads and installs, you should see your little screen on the LoRaWAN come back up. And at that point, you should be able to download the Meshtastic app from the Google Play Store, or if you have an Apple phone, from the Apple Store app. But yeah, go find the Meshtastic app and then download it, and we'll continue from there. Alright guys, so you should see this thing light back up once it's done loading the firmware. And it's going to ask you to set the region using the Meshtastic Android app, or whichever way you want to access it. So we're going to go over to this other phone here, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So coming directly over here, we're going to light this guy up, and then we're going to go over to App Store, and now I've already clicked on Meshtastic, so just got that install. Open. Alright, and then I usually just skip this, so you can skip that. Alright, so now we want to hit add on the Meshtastic app. We want to say allow, and then 68B, that's the only one that we see right now, so we're going to hit that one right there, and then it's going to ask for a PIN code. So we have 208662. Alright, I just put the pin in, and then now it should take a moment, but it'll join up. Perfect. Alright, so now once you have two of these in place, then you can actually start sending messages and data back and forth. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.